are you playing? What? Frédéric Chopin? Yes, I'm Frédéric Chopin. Why do you came to me? Am I so good in my piano playing? No, just because you played C major scale, it's not correct. Oh, but my teacher said that I have to start from C major scale because it's only white keys and I can understand how to move my fingers. You have to start your piano journey from the B major scale. But it will be a little bit harder because I will have the black keys also. Look at your fingers. You have the long fingers and you have the short fingers. Just use your long fingers with the black keys. Okay, I will try. It's really very comfortable to play. Thank you, Frédéric. Au revoir. Very wise ghost. But nevertheless, I think that your teachers, they have said to you that you have to start your practicing sessions through the scales. And it is important. I'm not against any scales. Why? Because you can see the scales in your real musical examples. So it's not just like an instructive exercises. It's very important because it's the language, it's the sort of manifestation of your tonality. So here you can see the full scale. It's not just a scale, it's the part of the musical process. Or another example. Here you can also see the D major scale. And basically the main melodic line will go through this D major scale. And in this context it will be very useful for you to play the D major scale, and it will really make much more easy the process of memorization and understanding what's happening inside different specific musical pieces. It's also very important what types of scale will you practice as a beginner piano player. Because as a beginner piano player, it's very tempting to practice only your C major scale, in which you will have only white keys without any black keys. C major or A minor. So the biological structure of your hand will be pretty interesting. You will not have the same length of your fingers. You will have more longer fingers, so your second, third and fourth fingers, and you will have the short fingers. And if you try to play the scale with only the white keys, you will have the same length of the keys and the same surface of the keyboard. In the case of C major scale, you will have to somehow twist your hand in order to play it correctly. A lot of professional pianists, they say that C major scale is one of the most hard scales from the technical point of view. In order to play it super fast and professionally, I can feel that my fingers, they just lay down at these specific keys without any problems. Why? Because if you use not only white keys, but also the black keys, you will have an advantage for your long fingers. And basically the keyboard was designed in order to be as comfortable as possible for the biological structure of your hands. For this reason, as a beginner piano player, you want to start your piano journey not from C major, but from B major. Yes, you will have 5 black keys, but don't be discouraged by this. Yes, it will be theoretically a little bit more complicated. Maybe you have some sort of holy fear that, oh, I will use my black keys, but I'm not really sure about the black keys because I am the beginner. It's much more easier with the white keys, but you just have to understand the logic of your major scale. 2 whole steps, 1 half step, 3 whole steps, 1 half step. Don't forget about this formula. And just transfer this formula one half step lower. Whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. It will take a little bit of an additional time. And that's all. From the technical point of view, it will be much more useful for you. It will be much more comfortable for you to start from this scale. What else can you do when you're playing your scales? Don't just mindlessly play the scale. Try to invent different ideas and different exercises for each new playing session. Try to play it legato, so try to play it very continuously, like the Nocturne by Frédéric Chopin. But the next repetition you can play it staccato, you can play it very sharp, using only your fingers, or you can play it staccato using the entirety of your hand. It will also help you to relax your shoulder, elbow and wrist more effective. Don't forget about the rhythm, because in the scale you will have only 7 notes, and with these 7 notes you can create different types of rhythm structures. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it as a triplets. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And try to minimize the using of the metronome, because the metronome will create an artificial feeling of the rhythm. You have your natural feeling of the rhythm, and the natural feeling of the rhythm you can develop with the counting aloud. And you have this rhythm because you have the rhythm of your heart, and it's pretty normal to hear the beat. It developed from your birth, even before you were born. You can use your hand in order to clapping, in order to snapping, different rhythmical structures while you're playing your scales. Also, don't forget to use the right fingers, the right fingering, because you have to mix your third finger and fourth finger. After the third finger, you will have the fourth finger. So you have to twist your thumb after third and after fourth. It's the rule for every scale. You will not repeat it twice. You will make it 3, 4, 3, 4. The same with the left hand. 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. And you will use your pinky at the end of the scale. Pinky. Using these simple ideas, you will be able to play the scales much more confidently. You should prefer the scales with the more black keys, paradoxically, but try to find all the scales. You have a lot of different scales with the black keys. But also don't try to learn your theory with these particular scales. It's only for the finger dexterity. It's only for the right way of practicing the scale, the comfortable way of practicing. If you want to understand the chords, if you want to understand the structures inside the scale, maybe some tonality, maybe some modulation, it will be easier to do in the C major scale, when you don't have any black keys. Yes, it will be intellectually much more easier to understand, to comprehend. So use your scales with the black keys only for the practice, for the technical practicing, and for the theoretical practicing, use only the white keys. Also, if you are a beginner or an intermediate piano player and you need a clear step-by-step process of piano development, you can also check my Astra Piano Academy. I wish you good luck in your piano and musical journey, and may the piano be with you.